Bike's all ready to go. Me and Brian heading out. Nice fun adventure to the beach, to Jalama Beach. Alright. Gonna be a fun ride. Let's go for a ride. Woo. Alright everyone. Well, welcome back once again. Nope, I'm not up in a tree. Although I've been doing a lot of tree climbing lately. And where's Brian? Okay, cool. You guys have been wondering if I even ride my motorcycle anymore. And yes, I do ride my motorcycle every single day. I do not have a car. This is my only source of transportation. But we are opening up a new chapter that we've been planning for a while. A new chapter in Ride With Hartley. A new adventure. My friend Brian and I, he's back there. We're going to do our first motorcycle camping trip together. We're going to go down to Jalama Beach. Spelled Jalama Beach. Supposed to be a pretty epic ride to go down there. We've been planning this days off for a couple months now. And if this works, we got another trip planned for you next month. And a nice big 4-day trip planned in March. So really looking forward to a lot of fun, cool camping, climbing, hammocking, all that good stuff. It's gonna all culminate to these really cool epic adventures. So stick around, enjoy the ride. Let's go for a ride. All right, we are on the road, just fueled up. We're ready to go. See Brian there, his bike's all packed up. This will be our first motorcycle camping trip together. And the first time I've gone motorcycle camping with someone else, I think. Well, I mean, with someone else with a motorcycle. I have gone camping before with my daughter and with Eric. But the first time with 2 bikes, which is cool. Let me turn off my phone. Alright, well, we'll see you along the road. It's going to be, we're taking a nice scenic route. Not taking the major roads. Oh, we'll see you soon. Alright, we are now outside of Santa Maria. We're taking a little loop east on a road called Betaravia, which turns into Fox and Canyon Road. That should then bring us down to Los Olivos, and then Los Olivos we will transfer over to Buellton, and then we'll be on the essentially final ride to the coast. So we're taking a little bit of a scenic route here. I might enjoy the beautiful scenery. There's more to come. Stick with us. Alright, so we got a little covered wagon. Little wagon here. Seed spreader. I thought I was recording, but I wasn't. Little seed spreader. Covered wagon. Alright, we're in the town called Los Olivos. We're gonna just cruise through here real quick. And then head on the highway to get to the beach. Alright. Santa Rosa Road. There it is, Santa Rosa Road. Alright, this is apparently the wonderful, curvy, windy road that takes us out to the coast. Alright, let's see how well this road is. There we go. Santa Rosa. Woo. Woo. Alright. Mosby, huh? A lot of vineyards and wineries down here. Alright, farmland. Should be some nice, pretty roads. We're now headed west to the coast to Jalama Beach. Yeah. Sweet. All right. Oh, we just went through Buellton, and we're on our way to the coast, and we just realized, geez, we need gas. I'm at 80 miles, and my low fuel light indicator is not turned on yet, but it should be soon. So I'm just hoping that there is a gas station between here situation. Let's keep our fingers crossed. Yeah. See you soon. Yeah, there's some beautiful scenery out here. Just pretty. Interesting smells out here too. We'll let the camera run for a little while so we kind of see where we're going. We're climbing up in altitude. Fuel light indicator's not come on yet. Bike's riding like a dream. Riding real nice. Alright, here's Jalama Road to the beach. I don't know how long my camera's going to stay on. The battery's about to die, but I want to let you know we're getting closer. Woo! Yeah! Alright, I'm not sure how long the battery's going to last, but here's some pretty views. Woo! Just beautiful out here. Alright, I don't know how long this is going to record, but there's the ocean. We've made it! We're almost there! Alright.
Oh.
Alright, hey, we're here at the beach down at Jalama. Yo, Jalama Beach.
Jalama, baby.
And the tide's kind of coming in. If you can see, the waters just came up pretty high. But we're up here at Jalama Beach. It's kind of dark out. We just got the fire going. We're here just chilling. And I want to check in. We'll guys see tomorrow when the sun's up. We'll show you where we are. It's pretty beautiful out here. Look at the stars. I doubt you can see them, but they're up there. See ya.